This is shooting with needles, and this is the Tommy gun. Almost bullseye. So I got everything packed up, got the drinks, got the food, got the ammo, got my gun that needs to go in the back. Will it fit back there? So we're on our way to pick up Patrick, and then, hello Tiffany, and then we are on our way to Michael's. So with that being said, I'll pick it up when we get to Patrick's. But if you're bothered by it, sucks for you. Alright, so we just got Patrick. He's in the back right there. Texted his mom to close the garage door because he forgot. We got all our snacks and shit, clay pigeons back there, ammo,
profanity.
My camera gear shit, guns in the back. It's gonna be great. I think Caleb's coming, but I didn't get a firm yes or no.
Ted's not coming. Rest in peace.
You fucking liberal. We got the cars ready to go. Bringing Trans Am and the Camaro. Here comes friends. Hello, friend. Hello, friends.
Oh, that's your GoPro?
Yeah.
These things are 40 pounds each, at the least.
You got all the guns right there. Got all the, that's a box of ammo, right? Yeah.
Here, I'll help
That's a box of ammo.
I got it.
Then we got food, drinks in there, and then my equipment and clay pigeons in there. Woo! Yeah, it's about to be fun. So we got everything situated. Here's our arsenal. Couple handguns right there. Winchester, Tommy gun. The boy's heavy too. AR, couple shotguns. His 22 over there. It's gonna be a good day. Got all our ear protections right here. Ammo, clay pigeons, ammo. Sorry if the wind is loud. I don't know how well this protects against it. It's got like anti-wind, but we'll see. We'll definitely see. And then that's what we're shooting right there. Did I just feel raindrop? That might have been my own spit. Well, guess we'll figure it out.
Oh, this is gonna be loud.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt. What is it?
It's just he's putting a slug through it.
Oh. Yeah, this will be loud. Let's see how big that wood gets. No, you're fine.
Oh, okay.
I'm just plugging in one ear because it bounces off the fence.
Yeah. Rip the wood.
What?
lever right here. You push back, turn it, push
Oh, it
back.
doesn't like flip to the side or anything?
Nope, not on this one.
One at a time.
Yep. Safe. Flip that up and it's on fire.
It's party mode.
So now we're up to 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, 112. Dude, that's 100. I can't. Smell this. I thought you were like zooming in on my forehead. I was like, okay.
Al? Which one? Towards me, I guess.
Back?
Now hold on.
I'm gonna actually pop open a soda. They're placed in front of the barrels. That was smart. I'm gonna scoot these back a little bit. So we got the Fritos and sodas. I'm just gonna. Yeah, Pepsi. They're not cold, but a Pepsi will work. There's root beer in there.
Pepsi's.
Don't you like root beer? So I thought.
I like Pepsi too.
I'm doing a one of those cool where you pan over with the music. You know what I'm talking about? Probably shouldn't do it in front of the barrel. Excuse me.
Said that boy, y'all bark, no bite. Running full court till we got no lights. In the 04, no place so high. They like how them bad apples go and get so ripe. Yeah.
Yeah, that's gross. Like 94 or something like
see
that.
that.
Yeah. I don't like them base apples.
Ooh, tracers. No, I'm joking. Those are illegal.
Yeah, though I was like, these are not tracers.
Well.
your hair. 3, 4, and 5. I think that's it.
Yeah. I'm pumping myself up because I'm shooting. I'm shooting this. Look at that. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Wasn't that bad.
It'll surprise you though. Now do the full pull. So, yeah.
When we're back, we'll go ahead and shoot the big one. Hi, buddies! Oh, God! Hi, buddies! Look, dogs are good for the videos.
Yeah. They get you more views.
Come here.
Don't pee on our stuff.
Come here. Hi, buddy. Hi.
AR-15s, giant revolvers, and cute dogs. Clickbait.
American media.
Now,
Come
only
here.
thing you need
Come
is
here.
sexy women and two-piece.
Hi, buddy. Hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I haven't seen you in forever.
I've never seen you. Come here.
Hey, no, don't pee on my box. Don't pee on that. Don't pee on that. No, no, no,
Oh, you're hyper.
no. No, there's nothing in there.
Gosh, that actually goes through here.
What? All right.
What? Did I not pull it hard enough?
Yeah, you gotta pull all the way back.
Oh my
My
gosh.
God, that was loud too.
Oh my gosh. I was like,
I gotta get one. Oh,
do I do these things? Yeah.
that's crazy.
That's for the books.
Yeah.
Man, that thing. Oh my gosh.
It's got a long pole.
God.
I know. It's just the anticipation of here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. You slide that back and it just pops open.
What?
Yeah. Little fucker.
Oh, that one is kind of loud. Let me yeah, it does.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you the pattern difference between a 20s bird, buck, and slug versus a 12s.
Am I good?
Yep, you're good. There was his bird. Nice shot.
That's bird.
Yeah.
This is buck.
Your wad hit me.
Oh, did it really? Sorry.
And slug.
And then slug. You can hear how loud that one was. Woo!
You know, since you're so close, it's a tight group.
Yeah.
That
So
is
bird,
your,
That was a good
Buckshot.
shot. Yeah, buck.
and then
and this is your slug.
you are almost on target.
Almost. Yeah. Yeah, I was almost good on the buck was actually pretty good,
Yeah.
but bird was nice. But then I was like, what is this for the slug? Oh, yeah,
Don's
my
gonna
shoulder
go ahead and
hurt
shoot
me now.
mine because I've already got. I don't know how well you can see that. You can see it pretty well. I've already got a massive bruise.
Just loaded.
Yep, you're good.
Yeah, it's all good, cocked and ready to rock.
Well,
This one's gonna be louder too.
oh, we got to put up 3 new targets.
Oh yeah, we should probably do that. We're gonna go ahead and put up the targets and I'll bring it back. It's got bird in first.
Ready?
Yep. So that's bird first. God, that's loud. And then buck.
I don't like your sight.
And then slug. God, that was loud compared to the 20. Woo! And it shoots like a slug.
Well, no, what it does, you got like 3 balls in it that are, or 3 or 5 balls in it that are ball bearing size in that. The bird shot, you can see, spreads out. Now the slug came out, I'm not sure which hole the slug went through, but the wadding went through another, and not sure what the other piece is.
Yeah.
Part of the shell itself, probably.
Yeah.
But that was the 3 different ones. But yeah, this holds a pretty tight group on that 12 on the
Yeah.
home defense or
really-
defense round. But the problem is, if you use a bird shot, home protection, it'll spread out. But it also, if it hits drywall and stuff like that, will slow it down to where it won't do as much damage to a person or whatever on the other side of the wall. So now
There goes it.
home defense will go through walls. Same with the slug.
I'm so glad I didn't shoot that. My shoulder would have been dead. Ooh, would have been dead.
He said,
That's not that bad. That's got a cushion on the back, dude.
Well,
Here's one of the rounds. Hey Chuck,
tactical AF. Record on that.
aim low because that'll go through schools. I mean,
You're good.
think that I'm holding this right?
Yeah.
Okay.
One more and then the big ones.
Don't remind me.
I hope
Alright, and now the
those
big
were
one.
baby.
that was it fired to the big one first.
Oh, okay.
Oops. It rotated the barrel the opposite way I was thinking it was going to go.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
so
you
those
can definitely tell the
Yeah,
difference.
One more little one and then a big one.
All right. I think I'm out, but I'll make sure.
Nope, one more.
There it was.
454 to salt.
454.
Yeah. Man.
His road is out of focus.
Tactical AF. There you go.
my gosh.
Did it get significantly heavier?
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
that's where most of the weight is right now.
He's gonna point it that way, right? Or do you want to? How do you want to take photos?
Yeah.
I don't know. Here,
That's
get this backpack off me.
Alrighty, everyone. That will conclude today's video. An amazing time with the homies, Patrick and Michael's family. Shooting today, it was great getting to shoot all the different types of guns. Finally got to shoot my 12 gauge and got to shoot the Tommy, the big ass 40 whatever 30 they are. It was great. But with that being said, what are you looking at me like? Who?
Your viewers.
Well, go away.
You want to show them all the different types of ammo we shot today?
No.
Here, I got it all right here.
I said no. Fuck off.
I got it all right here.
Oh, gosh, you're cringy.
Hold on. No, don't yet. No.
Yeah, that's what I was showing.
Cad B. I'll get. How did the British say sack? I'll get sacked.
Didn't see that. Hurry up.
Hold on, because he gave me
5,
the broken
4,
casings.
3, 2, 1. That's good.
Hold on.
We shot all those by. That's all I'm showing.
No, wait. One more.
No one cares about the.
You know what? I'll get you up.
But yeah, with that being said, thank you for continuing to support my channel. Thank you for continuously watching the vlogs, the views, the likes, the comments. They're all gaining. Every day we're gaining. That's awesome. Thank you. And with that being said, stay blessed.